Alright, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. Walter gonna do a box of hoops. So pick yourself 16. We've hit a 1-of-1 Altuve, a 1-of-1 Nomar Mazara, and then absolutely nothing else out of 8 boxes. Like the next best thing is in like a Ryan Healy. Alright guys, we got one left in that mini. Someone wants to copy and paste that. We got one left in the mini. Oh, don't forget about Danny Duffy. Javier Rizzo's Danny Duffy. One left in the mini. Thanks, Holmes. Appreciate it, bud. Alonzo color. Alright, Stan fills that mini. So let me drop the PayPal. You guys can pay while we're breaking this, and then we'll run it right after. No, it's fine. So I got some more stuff to add. Goods with your username, guys. So it's 30 bucks. $30, guys. Not 32. 30 bucks. Send on over. Oh, should be good for right now. Oh, there's a box of like that thing in there with like Steven stuff. Can you make a small font rate for Steven? Alright, we got Shiny Shack, like always. Walter, you want your base? Or just your red backs? Gobi. Jonathan Isaacs Kuzma. Lonzo regular back. I miss college. Joel Embiid. Malik Monk and De'Aaron Fox. And a gold Carmelo, 3 of 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. That's a jersey number. Carmelo, 3 of 10. Anthony Davis. Another Shiny Shack. Justin Patton, Dennis Smith Jr., and our rookie auto. Not a rookie auto. Hoops Inc. Marcus Page. Marcus Page. Kobe. LaMarcus Aldridge, 2017. Markelle Fultz. Lance Stevenson at a 199. Josh Hart. No problem. The problem with Isaacs, Walter, is he plays in Orlando. Red back of Cole Aldridge. Road to the finals. Kyrie at a $9.99. Without clicking on that, I don't know what it sold for. Nickeltina. Shaq. Dennis Smith Jr. next up, or we got next. Well then yes, that is too cheap. But I reiterate my Magic statement.
Is that all it has? Yeah. Do you want me to package it up or just leave it?
No, just build the box.
I already put them in.
Then we're good. But you gotta wait a sec. And Malik Monk. Very nice. Malik Monk, rookie auto. Tobias, got a gold and a rookie. And 2017 John Wall, Jarrett Allen, LeBron James. All right, Walter, that was your box. Nice Malik Monk. All right, Walter, I'm going to run that mini, so if you want to do any more, I'll be after that mini.